In 3, 2, 1. What's up, Curtis? My name is Salivate. Welcome back to my channel. And for today, I have a question for you. Are you recording your videos at home? Are you vlogging at your home with the same background and you wanted to change it? Have you ever heard of green screen effect? Yes? No? Not yet? Well, if not yet, I'm gonna share you a simple way of using green screen effect on your videos and vlogs at your home. Yes, you heard it correctly. At your home. Green screen effect is animating the background of the subject and illuminating the eyes of the viewer. Say for example, you are in your room with limited space and your things are messed up and you are recording a video and you cannot go out and you wanted to have a nice background. You can use a green screen, and this is very useful among the filmmakers, the animators, the weatherman, in the movies, videographers, and even vloggers use it. Because today we're staying home due to COVID-19, it's a nice thing to try. In my recent video, I tried to use a green screen effect. Instead of recording my voice, I record and film myself and put it to my video, and it worked. It really worked. And I was amazed because it was my first time, and I'm here to share a simple way of using green screen at your home. So here are the things that you want to remember in making a green screen effect. Number 1 is good light source. Number 2 is a green cloth or a paper or anything that is green, and you can use any colors, but be sure that it's distinct from your skin tone color, from your dress, from your eyes, from your lips, from your hair. And the third one is the separation of the background and the subject. So number 1 is a good light source. You really need to have a good light source. If you have a ring light, you can use it. If you have other stuff that produces light, you can use it. And for me, I'm using a bulb because I'm sleeping on the upper deck and it's very bright in here, and you can see that's making my skin tone more pleasing to the camera. So I'm using a bulb. If you have a bulb, you can use it. So number 2 is using a green cloth or any color that you want, but be sure that this is distinct from your color of your skin tone, from your dress, from your hair, from your eyes, from your lips. So actually I'm using now a green screen effect, which is the green cloth that I bought in a department store on sale with less than $1 or 40 pesos. So if you are interested in buying a cloth, go buy now. Or a paper that is green, you can buy for a cheaper price, so it will gonna be worth it. Number 3 is the separation of the subject from the background. So remember always that the background should be plain, that you should be move a little further from the background to avoid producing shadows of it. It will affect the green screen, and you should be always know that the background have the same shade of color so that it will not be hard to edit in the video editing process. Okay. So now, artists, I'm gonna show you how I edit green screen effect or chroma key using FILMORA9. You can use other video editing platforms like Adobe Premiere or anything that you want to use. So let's go to the editing process. Let's hit it. Open the FILMORA9 application on your screen on laptop. Then wait for it. And then maximize the window so that you're gonna see the whole FILMORA9 options. And first you're gonna import the green screen video. Let's import this one. And then after you import, grab it here. Select 920 by 980 FPS, and then we're gonna try the background, these pictures. Try this one. Let's try, and then grab each picture below the screen video. This one too. This one so that you have variety of backgrounds if you want to try. So I'm just showing you these things. I'm just showing you how these things work. So right click the green screen video, find the green screen option, click it, click the chroma key, click this little pin, select in any of the green screen, and then first you have to select this alpha channel and then make the background black. Adjust tolerance and offset. So you have to be careful. Select this level. You see here that it's something white. You should be able to adjust it a black background, and then select for edge thickness. So you might not want to be here. Select it here. Just be here, and then the edge should be better. Okay. And then unselect the alpha channel. So you see that I am in the background. You have to just adjust the background to fit in the screen. Okay. See the background with the screen. That's it. And then after, resize the green screen video of yourself. Put it in here. Click OK, and same as the setting in the first picture, you have to grab this one to fit this screen side and the next photo. So you see that it's actually nice, that you can use any photos that you want to be in the background. These photos are in the video. You can search for other photos that you want to be your background. Then the next one, just click OK after you're gonna place the screen the back. Just grab it. Then click OK. The last one picture, click it. Fit it into the background. See, it's not hard, but it's easy to do. You're gonna be fun doing this one. As I did fun doing this one. So just click OK, and if you are interested of recording a video, just go to the and I have a video of Mount Matutong in the Turkey side of the background. So I just grab it here. So I'll just touch the audio. So I want the audio, the sunrise. So I just delete it. Then I'm just gonna. I'm here already. I'll cut the video so that you can see that the screen effect is working. I just cut here, delete here, and click export here, and select MP4, and settings is best quality. Click OK, click export. And then wait for exporting file. So actually we can do this at your home. It's easy, it's cheaper than going outside. Green screen really helps. You should try it, this one, to your videos. I mean, it's a cool thing to do, right? So it's 67% now, 71. Just wait, it will take time. but it's wanna be rooted. So let's see how this video will come out. So congratulations, success for video. So let's take the video. Let's maximize and let's play. 3, 2, 1. What's up, artists? My name is Salud. Welcome back to my channel. And for today, I have a question for you. Are you recording your videos at home? Are you vlogging? It's really working, and you can see that I can change my background whether I want or not. So you just have to be patient on editing. So that's it, artists. So artists, I hope you like this video. I hope you learn from it. I hope you will try a green screen effect on your home, and like and share to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell button below to update you to my newest video. So that's it, artists. Thank you for watching.